why can't a size 100 assembly frame weigh less than 25 kilograms? Our innovation: lightweight, SpeedyScaf Lightweight. Because lighter means easier. The SpeedyScaf Euro assembly frame with 1.09 meters is just as strong as the SpeedyScaf Euro 100, but noticeably lighter, and compatible with all SpeedyScaf components. The SpeedyScaf Euro assembly frame LW100. Made from a high tensile steel, it's 3 kilograms lighter. It has the same load-bearing capacity and is almost as light as the size 70 steel assembly frame. The SpeedyScaf Euro gantry frame lightweight, 1.50 meters wide, of high tensile steel and more than 4 kilograms lighter. The same load-bearing capacity and fully compatible with the SpeedyScaf 70 and the SpeedyScaf 100. SpeedyScaf Lightweight, because lighter means easier, a worthwhile investment. Faster assembly, lower transport weight, same load-bearing capacity. Less weight for more performance. The size 100 SpeedyScaf Euro assembly frame LW, a 21.5 kilogram lightweight.